On today's menu, possibly my new favorite pasta recipe. An extraordinary white bean and arugula pasta. Lei Hong Ma, this is Yeung in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Will Yeung. This recipe you'll love because it's absolutely delicious, really easy to make. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta. We'll be using half a pound of pasta, which is simply half this box. This recipe should be good for about 2 to 3 portions. Crush and peel about 5 pieces of garlic, then finely chop. It seems like a lot of garlic, but this recipe is good for about 3 portions and it's absolutely delicious. Two shallots, finely chopped. You can definitely use 1 large white or red onion if that's what you have on hand. Slice in half lengthways about 300 grams of cherry tomatoes. These will add natural sweetness, acidity, and beautiful color to the pasta. Rinse and drain a 540 ml can of navy or cannellini beans, then set aside. Roughly chop about 10 grams of fresh parsley. Sauté pan. Medium heat. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When the water comes to a boil, cook the pasta to package instructions. In this episode, I'm using half a pound of fusilli, but of course, any similar type of pasta would be excellent. Shallots and garlic. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. This will allow the garlic and shallots to sweat down and infuse that olive oil with amazing flavor. Half teaspoon salt. Fresh cracked pepper to taste. An optional pinch of chili flakes. Give the pan a stir. Cherry tomatoes. Stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This will allow the tomatoes to soften and infuse incredible flavors. Navy beans. Chopped fresh parsley. Carefully transfer about 3/4 cups of that pasta cooking water. Give the pan a good stir to combine all those amazing flavors, textures, and colors. Grate in about 1/4 cup of your favorite plant-based parmesan. Give the pan a good stir. Drain out the pasta and add to the pan. Give the pan a stir and fold in that pasta. Plate the pasta generously. Top the pasta with a handful of fresh arugula and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. You can now enjoy this spectacular pasta recipe with absolute confidence. This looks gorgeous and just smells incredible. Wow, that has a huge, crazy punch of flavor just from that first bite. I think visually this dish is just stunning. You get those amazing pops of green and red color and just beautiful textures. Right from that first bite, you're welcomed with this delicious natural sweetness and acidity from the tomatoes and this really nice garlicky, creamy pasta that also has a slight fruity note from that delicious olive oil. And of course that parmesan also adds this nice cheesy salty umami as well. I love being able to mix the fresh arugula into that warm pasta. That warmth just wilts down the arugula just right so that it still retains that beautiful green freshness, but adds this delicious peppery flavor. The navy beans add a lot of body to the pasta, and it also creates this beautiful creamy texture along with that pasta cooking water. Such a delicious combination of flavors. It's earthy yet fresh and bright and inviting. The colors are so beautiful and pleasing, and that lemon juice just adds this really nice, wonderful brightness. Such an extraordinary dish to make any time of the week, any day of the year. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version of these books available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.